Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Physics Tutorials by Jinkle Grover. So today we are in the continuation of the topic that is significant figures, right? So it's a third part of this topic that is significant figures. In first two parts we have done how to subtract significant figures and how to add two or three significant figures, right? Numbers having particular number of significant figures. So in this lecture we have do that how to multiply and how to divide the particular number with required number of significant figures. So first of all, let's start with one example. We have to multiply 312.65 and 26.4 with regards to significant figures. That means you have to multiply two numbers. First one is 312.65 and second one is 26.4. So you have to multiply these two numbers. First of all, you will notice that in first number, how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 31 2.65 has total number of 5 significant figures. And one more thing that you have to notice is there are two digits after a decimal place. This is a decimal, and after decimal you will see there are two digits, 6 and 5. So in first number there are 5 significant figures and 2 digits after a decimal place. Now come to second one. Second one is 26.4. How many significant figures are there? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 significants in total in this number, and after decimal you will see there is only one digit, that is 4. Now first of all you will see you have to multiply these two numbers normally as we do in mathematics, right? So multiply these two numbers without any decimal. Just forget that there is any decimal in between these numbers. Multiply these two numbers, 31265 into 264. You will get this number in your answer. But you will count now. There are two decimal digits after this decimal, and here there is one digit only, this 4, right? So there are total 3. You have to place a decimal counting from right after 3 digits. So I will place the decimal here, right? 1, 2, 3. So this is simply mathematics, right? There is no physics rule till now. So you will get your answer 8253.960. But you will know we have to give your answer up to weakest limit. In second lecture, I have told you what do you mean by weakest limit. That means we will go for minimum number significant figures, right? So we will go for minimum number of significant figures. You will see here there are how many significant figures in this number. First one, that is 5 significant numbers. In second, there are 3 significant numbers, right? So you have to give your answer up to weakest limit, that means up to 3 significant figures. But you will see in your answer how many significant numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 significant numbers in your answer. But you have to give your answer, you have to retain your answer up to 3 significant figures, right? So that means if you see just, you will say 1, 2, 3 and you will retain your answer up to this number, right? 825. But you will see आपका आंसर आ रहा है 8253 point something and you will give your answer 825. That is contradiction with your answer, accurate answer. Why? Because your answer is nearly 8000 but you will give your answer nearly 800. So it's a mismatch of your answer, right? So how you will give your answer of this question? You will see here आपको कहाँ पे ब्रेक लगानी है. मैंने आपको सेकेंड लेक्चर में बताया था जब आप राउंड ऑफ करते हो. So you have to give your answer up to 3 significant figures. That means you will give up to 5, right? But if you break up to 5, your answer will only nearly to 800. That is not possible, right? So you will give your answer 8250. I will explain you why 0, why not 3 you will take. because if you will take 3 here, then in your answer there are 4 significant figures, 1 2 3 4, that we doesn't want. If you take 0, and in first lecture I have told you rules that when there is 0 in your number and without the measurement, you will never count this 0 as a significant figures, right? So हमारे दोनों काम हो चुके हैं, हमारा आंसर भी नियरली आ चुका है with 0, and you will never count this 0 in significant figures. So 1 2 3, we want our answer up to 3 significant figure, that is fine. And आपने अपना आंसर अप्रोक्सीमेट भी कर दिया नियरली 8000, so that is also fine. So both the requirements are fulfilled. Your answer is 8250, right? Now मैंने आपको रूल्स भी बताए थे, अगर आप राउंड ऑफ करते हो नंबर, अगर वो लेस देन 5 है, द नंबर विल रिमेन एज इट इज प्रीवियस नंबर. इफ your round off number last number is greater than 5, then you will increment 1 the previous number, right? Now if equal to 5, there are two cases, even and odd, right? अगर किसी ने फर्स्ट 2 वीडियो लेक्चर्स नहीं देखे हैं on this topic significant figures, you will check out the link from the description of this video. You will get the link, right? So you will see first that 2 videos, then come to this video lecture, then you will understand easily. So let's move to another example. It's a practice question for you. Solve following with regards to significant figures. First of all, you will see there are three numbers here, right? 1 2 3. First of all, you have to multiply this normally by using mathematics, then divide it normally by using mathematics, right? Then apply the physics rules and give your answer up to weakest limit, that means minimum number of significant figures. See here, 1 2 3 4, there are 4 significant figures. Here 1 2 3, there are 3 significant figures, and in this number there are 4 significant figures. So you have to give your answer up to minimum number of significant figures. That means you will give your answer up to 3 significant figure. That is hint for all of you. Now you will solve this and give your answer, right? And you will tell me your answer in comment section. I will let you know that it's correct or not. Next question is, the diameter of circle is 2.486 meter. Calculates its area with due regards to significant figures. So pi value is given to you, that is 3.148, right? So first of all, you will see the diameter of circle is 2.486 meter, right? So as you know, you have to find the area of circle, and what is the formula for area of circle? That is pi r square. You have to replace your radius value by diameter by 2. Why? Because your value of diameter is given in this question, that is 2.486 meter, right? So first of all, you have to find the radius, that is diameter by 2, right? Or you can replace the r value by d by 2. So formula will become pi d square by 4, right? Now put the value of pi and put the value of diameter, divide by 4, you will get your answer mathematically. Now our work is start, that is physics rules according to significant figures. First of all, you will see your diameter have how much significant figures? You will see 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 significant figures in your diameter. Now you have to give your answer up to 4 significant figures. You will see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here there are 6 significant figures, but you want to retain your answer up to 4 significant figures, right? So what you will do, you will round off that number. Where you apply the break, you will apply break 1 2 3 4. So you will apply break here. Clear? Now next rule, when you round off the number up to 4 significant figures, you will see last number that you will round off is greater than 5 or less than 5 or equal to 5, right? So here in our question it is 5, actually exactly 5, not greater than 5, not less than 5, right? So you will see here, अगर आपका नंबर लास्ट नंबर 5 है, उससे पहले का नंबर you have to check your previous number before 5. It's even or it's odd. If it is even number, if it is even number, what you will do, you will increment that previous number by 1. Increment previous number by 1. If you have to round off number, that is 5, and previous number is odd 1, no change in your previous number, answer remain as it is, no change, right? So there will be no change. Now let's come back to our question. In our question, the number that we have to round off, break we apply at this number, right? So after this, the number is 5, which you have to round off. Before it, the number is even. So that means if previous number is even, you have to increment number by 1. So your answer will be 4.85 plus 1 करिए इसमें, so it will become 4.855, right? So these are some rules that I have discussed already in second video lecture on this topic. You will see there. So in our answer, you have to retain your answer up to 4 significant figures, and after round off you will see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 significant figures in your answers, right? And one more thing, you have to round off. You will see it's an even number, so you will increment this number by 1. Your final answer will get 4.855 is your final answer. Clear? If any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will tell you that how to solve it again, right? Okay, let's move to next question. You will see here, now there are practice question for you. Divide 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 by 4.75 into 10 to the power 3. So you have to divide this number by this number, and you have to give your answer up to particular number of significant figures, right? So you will see here how many significant figures in this, 1, 2, because this is the order of your number. You will never count these zeros, 10 raised to the power something in your significant figures. So 10 raised to the power 5 and 10 raised to the power 3 is not counted in significant figures. First of all, you will see in this there are 2 significant figures, and in this number there are 3 significant figures, right? So you have to give your answer up to 2 significant figures, right? So solve it and apply the rules for significant figures, and you will get your answer 53. If anyone found any difficulty while doing the question and not get same answer, please let me know in comment section, right? Next question. So these are some practice questions for all of you. I will give you solution below this, but first of all you will try this equation, right? Then match your answers with this given. 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 is the answer of first question, right? Second one, and here third one, right? So you will see here I will give you practice question solution as well as, but first of all pause the video before that solutions, then solve it and match your answers. Okay, so first question, let's discuss. Divide 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 by 4.75 into 10 to the power 3 with due regards to significant figures. First number is having 2 significant numbers. Second, having 3 significant figures. Divide it. 10 to the power 3, here 10 to the power 5. So you will get left 10 to the power 2, and divide it, you will get your answer this much, right? You have to divide this simple by mathematics, you will get your answer this one, right? Now after this you have to apply the rules. First of all, you will see 2 significant figures in first number, 3 significant figures in second number, but you have to retain up to minimum number of significant figures. That means you have to retain your answer up to 2 significant figures only. What you will do, first of all, you will, when you will divide, you will get answer 52.6 into 10 to the power 0, that means 1. So your answer is 52.6, but we want our answer up to 3 significant figures, and here answer is 1, 2, 3. Here 3 significant figures. We want in 2. So you have to round off one number. You have to apply the break at this number. Sorry for the disturbance, right? So first of all you will see, आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे मैंने ब्रेक लगाई है यहाँ पे, right? So you will see here 6, that is greater than 5. So when you round off a number, I will give you the rules that if number that you have to round off is greater than 5, your previous number is incremented by 1, right? So 6 is greater than 5. That means your previous number will increment by 1. So your answer is 5 and 2 plus 1 here 3. So answer is 53, right? And 1, 2. So there are two significant figures in your answer and up to minimum number of significant figures you have to give your answer, right? So all the conditions are fulfilled. I hope you will understand these concepts and rules that you have to apply for finding out exact accurate number of significant figures. Okay, let's do the second practice question. Second is, you have to multiply 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. In first number of significant figures are 2. In second, there are 2, right? So no problem, you have to retain your answer up to, you will see, 2 significant figures, right? So what you will see, please make it correction here. You have to retain your answer up to 2 significant. So here 2, not 4, right? So now you will see your first number. You will solve this. 10 to the power minus 4 कॉमन आ रहा है दोनों टर्म से, take it common. Solve this. You will left with 4 minus 0.025, right? So your answer will become 3.975 into 10 to the power minus 4. And you, all of you know, we can't count this order in significant figures. Now you want to give your answer up to 2 significant figures. What you will see here, you want to apply the break here. Why? Because you want to answer in 2 significant figures, 1, 2, up to this. So you will see which number you have to round off, that is 7. This one is greater than 1 or less than 5. Sorry, greater than 5 or less than 5. You will see this 7 is greater than 5. So when your round off number is greater than 5, your previous numbers is incremented by 1, right? So 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 remainder, add it in this number 3. So your answer will become 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. You will write, how you will write it? Not 4 only, you will write it 4.0. Why? Because अगर आप 4 लिखेंगे तो significant figure एक ही होगा 4. But you have to give your answer up to 2 significant figures, right? So when you will writing answer, proper answer in the last, you have to write 4.0. That means 4, 0. There are 2 significant figures, right? So 4.0 into 10 to the minus 4 is your answer of this question, right? So there are same rules as you will see. You have to just follow the rules. Third question. The mass of 25 centimeter cube of certain substance at 87.2, calculate its density with due regards to significant figures. So first of all, you will see significant figures in both numbers. 2 significant figures, here 3. You want to retain your answer up to 2 significant figure, right? Weakest number. And you know what is the formula of density? That is mass upon volume, right? So put down the value of mass, that is 87.2, and volume is 25. Find out the answer, that is 3.488. But you want to give your answer up to 2 significant figure, so apply the break here because 2 numbers यहाँ तक बनेंगे, right? 1, 2. तो now you will see कौन सा नंबर राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं, ये पीछे वाले नंबर छोड़ रहे हैं. तो ये नंबर 5 से ग्रेटर है, लेस देन 5. 8 is greater than 5. So your previous number is incremented by 1. So answer is 3.5 gram per centimeter cube. This is your answer, right? I hope till now your concept is clear. So fourth question you will do yourself and match your answer with the given answer, right? Okay, so I hope you will understand this video lecture very carefully. I hope you enjoyed this video lecture. First of all, before seeing this video lecture, before watching this video lecture, please check out my first 2 video lectures, first and second part on the significant figures, right? You will get the link for that 2 video lectures in my description of this video lecture, right? Okay, so if you find any difficulty while watching video lecture, please let me know in a comment section, or you can discuss your queries on my official Instagram ID. You will get the link for my official Instagram in my description of this video lecture, right? Okay, stay safe, take care. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Physics Tutorials by Jinkle Grover. If you अभी तक जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, so that you will get notifications for upcoming lecture, right? Okay, stay safe, goodbye, thank you so much.